Khash is a traditional dish widely enjoyed in Armenia, Georgia, and other countries in the Caucasus and the Middle East. This slow-cooked soup is made primarily from cow's feet, rich in collagen, and sometimes includes other parts like the head, tripe, or intestines. The preparation of khash is an overnight process, where the feet are simmered for several hours until the broth becomes thick and gelatinous. The dish is typically served early in the morning, often as a remedy for a hangover, with various sides and garnishes such as crushed garlic, vinegar, fresh herbs, and lemon. The experience of eating khash is as much about the social aspect as it is about the food itself. Traditionally considered a dish for the lower classes, as it made use of less desirable parts of the animal, khash has since become a beloved delicacy enjoyed by all, particularly in the cold winter months. The rich, fatty flavor of the soup, due to the high collagen content, is relatively mild on its own, making the garnishes and seasonings added at the table essential to the overall taste. Often served with lavish, an Armenian flatbread, khash is a dish that brings people together, celebrating both the culinary traditions and the communal spirit of the region.